हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है सीप एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल जहां हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेकअप और स्किन केयर के बारे में बात करते हैं। आज की वीडियो के लिए मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही एक्साइटेड हूँ बिकॉज ये जो मेकअप लुक मैंने करा है, आई हैव लिटरली डन दिस फॉर प्रोडक्ट्स. फर्स्टली आई हैव यूज ओनली वन ब्रांड विच इज़ वेरी आई हैव नेवर यूज दैट ब्रांड बिफोर. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ इस ब्रांड के बारे में. एंड दिस मेकअप, दिस इंटायर लुक, पूरा मेरे फेस का मेकअप जो मैंने आज किया है वो अंडर 500 रुपीज़ में मैंने ये पूरे प्रोडक्ट्स एंड मेकअप यूज़ किए हैं. एंड मैं आपको पूरा बताने वाली हूँ कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, कितने के हैं. ऑल ऑफ दैट अपने टाइटल में पढ़ ही लिया होगा. बट दिस इज सुपर सुपर एक्साइटिंग. आई डिड नॉट इमेजिन दैट this kind of look can be created in such affordable price range. तो yeah guys, without further ado, let's just get started. एक मिनट एक सेकंड लेके बस सब्सक्राइब कर देना. You know, it might not make a lot of difference to you, but for me it's a very big deal. So just subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. I'm also there on Instagram, you can follow me there as well. This is my handle. And now let's just get started with this video. Shade I'm yellow. This is so not my color. Okay then. Guys, let's begin. तो अभी मैंने अपने फेस पे कुछ भी नहीं लगा रखा है. I've just done my skin care. As you can see, it's like that redness and everything that I have. तो बिफोर वी स्टार्ट मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी कि कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स आई गॉट. एंड एक्चुअली आई गॉट प्रीटी मच दैट entirely. I have a very tiny range of products. I got all of that. So I'll show you all the products that I got and the price for it. And yeah, we'll start then. सो उनके पास कोई प्राइमर्स कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था. बहुत ही छोटा सा मेकअप रेंज है उनका. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई गॉट इज दिस फाउंडेशन. द पैकेजिंग एक्चुअली लुक्स वेरी नाइस एंड इट्स अ ग्लास पैकेजिंग. 27 ml. इट सेज लास्टिंग ग्लो फाउंडेशन. इसमें आई थिंक 4-5 कलर रेंजेस थे एंड द कलर दैट आई गॉट इज 01, दैट इज पर्ल ग्लो. And the cost of this foundation, guys, is only 100 rupees. So I'm really excited to, try this out on my face and see what you get for just 100 rupees as a foundation. And then the second thing and the last thing for the base makeup is the compact powder, which is the LA18 Lasting Glow Compact. And this is in the same shade as my foundation, which is 01 Pearl. So let me just open it up. And this also is for 100 rupees only. And the quantity is 9 grams. So let me just open it and show you the packaging and everything. Guys, that is the packaging. It seems like this one doesn't seem premium at all. It feels very plasticky and stuff, but why am I even looking at premium at 100 rupees? But yeah, the foundation did look like that. So it comes with a mirror like this. Then it has a bit of fragrance in it, which is very strong and very chemically, it's a nice fragrance, but it's a fragrance which I've never ever used in a compact powder, seen in a compact powder. So it comes with this, which is very thin quality kind of a thing. It also comes with this protector, and that is the powder. And the powder has a lot of fragrance. I'm not sure about that bit. I just don't like fragrance, and this is the type of fragrance that is going to give you a headache. This is that fragrance. So we will see. Moving on to the next product. Then we have the kajal, which is for 90 rupees, and the quantity is 0.35 grams. So that's the kajal. The kajal looks pretty basic like every other packaging. Let's just swatch a little on the hand and see. It seems quite black, and it seems quite nice. So but we'll see once we apply it. Next thing for the face is this liquid liner, which is for 85 rupees. Swatching this, even this seems quite nice. Does not feel like matte, it feels like a glossy liner. Quite love the packaging of it. So let's see how this works out. Then I actually got 3 lipsticks because one lipstick, which is the silk one, I think. Yeah, this is the silk one. I'll show you the colors and all. This is for 100 and these two, which are the matte ones, are for 75. So I just got all three thinking I can use one on the eyes, then one on the cheeks, and one as lips. I mean, they were quite affordable, so I just got three since they don't have anything for eyes or for cheeks. So I thought I could just use these like that. So yeah, let me show you the lipsticks. This is ColourPop matte. There are two of these matte ones, so I'll just show you both the shades. There's one which is like this, like a matte brown, and this is called B41. I don't think so they have, oh okay, they have shade names. Choco Bite B41 is what this shade is called. Let's swatch this as well. That's what the shade looks like. It's a nice brownish shade. These also have a fragrance, but this one particularly has a very soft fragrance. It's not something that's too bothering, I feel. The next one is this nice reddish pinkish shade. This is R31 Rose Bay. Again, this is matte. The lipsticks do feel a little cheap, not gonna lie. Even their packaging like feels a little cheap. But then only 75 bucks, so yeah, that's the shade. This shade I might use for the cheeks, quite like it. And then we have the silk one, which is for 100 rupees. They actually had another stick lipstick, this one, but this was not available anywhere, so didn't get this one. So which is why I just got 3 lipsticks. Then the next one is this red shade. That was actually a pink one. This is red, and this is called the WF1. Okay, the shade name is not written, so yeah. So I'm just going to swatch this also. So it's a nice red. So basically for the lipsticks, what I did was that there are basically 3 main shades that are there, right? Like, I mean, there are way more, but just talking about the 3 main, which is your browns, your pink, and your red. So I got all 3. The red I will use on my lips, the pink I'll use on my cheeks, and the brown I'll use on my eyes and try to create a look with these, because as I said, they didn't have much for the cheek and eyes. So yeah, now I'm excited to try the product, so let's go. Right, so let's go get on with the foundation. I'm just going to shake it a little. So this is what the foundation looks like. It feels a little creamy. I'm going to take it on my hand and then we'll see how the texture is. It does not come with any pump bottle or anything. It's just, you know how those old Maybelline foundation used to come without the pump. It's like that. So I've taken a considerable amount. This does not look like my... Oh my god, even the foundation has fragrance in it. So yeah, I mean, I hate fragrances, but okay. Anyways, going in. So that's the it looks very yellow for my skin, but this was the fairest shade that they had. Damn it. Shade, I'm yellow. This is so not my color. Okay then. Yeah, the foundation has a hell lot of fragrance, like lot of fragrance, and it is definitely giving that coverage as of now, but of course after I blend it I'll know better. But yeah, I mean, it has fragrance, but like it's not bothering me. Like, it's not very strong, but it's there. This is definitely not my color, and this was the fairest shade that they have. But then definitely keeping in mind yellow undertones and definitely not pink undertones. So, but it is definitely covering up spots and stuff. So if you're somebody who's fair with yellow undertone, this could be your guy. The leftover bit I'm gonna put on my neck. I'm looking so yellow, yaar. It's like jaundice. Alright, so like I'm yellow, like this is my skin color and this is the foundation. So I'm just gonna go and tap it in now. I'm using a wet beauty blender. So okay, so I have blended out the foundation. Being very honest with you here, that I'm quite surprised because the foundation is, it did hide the redness that I have, the little bit of grayness that I have, and the bit of fragrance that it has. It's not really bothering me. Like it was there in the bottle, but now that it's on my face, मतलब मेरे face पे जब आ गया है तो like I'm not feeling it, and it's actually done a very nice job. Like ignoring the fact कि ये मेरा color नहीं है, और लेकिन for the people जिसके लिए ये color match होगा, उसके लिए this foundation is genuinely not that bad. I'm quite liking it. It's a nice foundation, I can say that. Yeah, in 100 rupees, if I'm getting this effect, it's really like not bad. नेक्स्ट थिंग, नाउ लेट्स जस्ट सेट आवर फेस. तो हम पाउडर यूज़ करते हैं LA18 का ही. इसमें तो है काफ़ी फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड आई यूज़ द थिंग जो इसके साथ ही आया, आई यूज़ दैट ओनली. इट ऑल्सो हैज़ अ मिरर, सो मुझे इसके साथ हो नहीं रहा है, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना यूज़ अ ब्रश, द वन दैट आई नॉर्मली यूज़, द पैक वन. गोना यूज़ दैट. और जो फाउंडेशन है, दैट इज़ नॉट लाइक, दैट्स लाइक अ मैटिफाइंग फाउंडेशन. To be honest with you, later on we'll just see कि क्या look आया है in like natural light. Because lot of time क्या होता है कि जब स्टूडियो में मैं like इस बैकग्राउंड, इस लाइटिंग में मैं जब कुछ शूट कर रही होती हूँ, तो इतना पता नहीं लगता कि वो रियल लाइफ में कैसा दिखेगा. तो मे बी इन दी एंड आई जस्ट गेट अप एंड सी दैट वॉट इज़ लुकिंग लाइक इन द रियल लाइट. बिकॉज ऐसे तो काफ़ी चीज़ें अच्छी लगती हैं, और अभी मैं मिरर में देख रही हूँ तो मेरे नोज़ के पोर्स के अंदर इट इज़ देयर, और इधर इधर थोड़ा सा चौकी टाइप लग रहा है. बट ओवरऑल इतना बुरा भी नहीं है, बट लाइक इट्स लिटिल इनसाइड माई पोर्स एंड स्टफ. स्पेशली यहाँ पे भी इकट्ठा हो रहा है फॉर सम रीज़न. सो या, आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू गाइज what it looks like in real life, because इस लाइटिंग में हर चीज़ अच्छी लगती है guys. Okay, now that I'm done with the face का base, I am going to use the brown shade on my eyelids, which is this lipstick. So yeah, so I'm gonna take the lipstick on my finger and just go ahead and apply like that. तो color तो काफ़ी अच्छे से आया है, and I'm just gonna use my hands only and do it and blend it out. ये थोड़ा रेड एंड लाइक ब्रिक रेड टाइप स्पेस में है ये कलर. Just gonna blend it out. तो काफ़ी अच्छे से आया है, क्वाइट लाइक इट. और मैंने हाथ से इसको ब्लेंड किया है, इट्स क्वाइट नाइस. सो ओके, आई एम जस्ट गोना डू माई अदर आई का. राइट गाइस, ये कलर काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है और काफ़ी अच्छे से ब्लेंड भी हुआ है. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू दी आई लाइनर एंड काजल. So the eyeliner is nice and black, quite nice. So I'm going with a very basic everyday kind of look. I'm not really making a wing with it. So I'm using the LA18 ka kajal on top of my eyes and of course under it. The kajal does seem quite nice and black. The kajal does seem very nice and very black. तो काजल तो I quite liked. And actually overall everything I'm liking so far. Just foundation and base मुझे actual light में देखना पड़ेगा, as I said. So I'm done with the kajal. I do hope they had a mascara so I could just use that, because I really like using mascaras, but they don't have, so it's fine. Anyways, next move on to the cheeks and lips. So for the cheeks guys, I'm gonna use this pinkish shade that I got, and I'm just gonna apply it with my fingers only. I'm not gonna apply directly because मुझे नहीं पता कितना ज़्यादा लग जाएगा. So I'm just gonna go in with my fingers again. And this is quite pink actually. So I'm just gonna use little only and then try to. मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. So shit. Let's try and smudge it. So I'm done with the blush. I actually, आपको पता ही है मैंने lipstick use किया as a blush. So yeah, looks quite nice. And the last thing left is for the lips is this lipstick. So I'm gonna use that of course on my lips only. This one has like a bubble gum fragrance in it. The lipstick are quite nice. They're like, you know, getting on in one smooth flow. Alright guys, so I am done with the look, and to be honest with you, it looks quite stunning. Like in this camera light, it looks amazingly stunning. And if this is the result of makeup under 500 rupees, it looks really flawless and amazing. But इसको एक बार natural light में जाके देखते हैं. Okay guys, so this is me showing you my face in natural light. तो like मैं बाहर तो नहीं हूँ, घर में ही हूँ, but you know the light is coming from the window. तो I'm just going up close. I still think that it's very nice. And ऐसा लग भी नहीं रहा है कि मेरा कलर नहीं है. थोड़ा येलो ज़रूर है, I'm not gonna lie, येलो ज़रूर है. लेकिन it's like उतना ज़्यादा डिफरेंस भी आई कैन मैनेज विद इट. बिकॉज जब भी आप फाउंडेशन लगाते हो वो थोड़ा बहुत ऑक्सीडाइज होता है, थोड़ा बहुत आपकी स्किन को मैच होने लग जाता है एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट आफ्टर अ व्हाइल. तो आई थिंक दिस विल गोना डू दैट एंड इट लुक्स रियली नाइस. लाइक आई एम वेरी अप क्लोज टू माई स्किन एंड फेस. इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस. अभी यहाँ पे क्योंकि ये ऐसा हो रहा है क्योंकि मैंने प्राइमर नहीं लगाया, बिकॉज इस ब्रांड का प्राइमर नहीं था. बट अगर आपके पास कोई और ब्रांड का प्राइमर है या कोई भी कंसीलर है, आप आईज पे लगा सकते हैं. तो बट ओवरऑल आई रियली फील दैट इन $100 और फुल फेस मेकअप अंडर 500 rupees, दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट डील गाइज. I really think कि you know, for those of you for college, for school, if you're looking at something which is affordable, I really think you can go for this. So yeah, quite liking it. And the fragrance जो भी है पर इतनी बुरी नहीं है. Like it's not bothering, the fragrance is not bothering me at all. Anyways guys, so that's all for this video. I will see you in the next one. Subscribe कर देना यार, एक क्लिक का बटन ही है, कुछ नहीं जाएगा आपका. Subscribe कर देना. I'm also there on Instagram. This is my handle. Do follow me there as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.